are in Nairobi and we are staying at the Glam Hotel in Nairobi. It's a little bit outside of the city center, but it was a hotel room recommended to us by our friends, and it is really nice. Really big bathroom, really well appointed sink and shower. It's a huge shower unit and a shower head in there. The shampoo and shower gel, they're all very nice as well. And they have a really nice big table, and the chairs are absolutely lovely. Very comfortable chairs. And these doors are interconnecting with a big TV with lots of Western English speaking channels like BBC, Al Jazeera, etc. And this one has views to the city, but it's night time, so not a lot is visible at the moment. With nice new side lamps, tables. And you can control all your lights from here, from the bedside. And very nice looking night lights, light shades. A very big wardrobe. Two desks where you can actually put your luggage on. It's very convenient. A huge bed. It wouldn't even all fit in one shot. It's that big. There you go. It's massive. There's a nice sofa and a couple of tables to sit and watch TV. It's a very large room, but it's also very well appointed as well. Not all the rooms are that well appointed, even if they're big. So everything you need. There's a telephone to call reception if you need it. So I'm not sure if it's a 4-star or not, but it definitely has the feel of the 4-star, because it has a little microwave and a fridge for your cold drinks and etc. But it is a pretty big fridge for a hotel room. And also extra storage here. So yeah, if you're in Nairobi, this is one I would definitely recommend.